All right, welcome back to my little channel here. We're going to be looking at the chart today, doing a little technical analysis. If you like these kind of videos, let me know, and I'll keep doing them. I kind of like doing technical analysis, not going to lie. But here's CoinMarketCap. Let's just look at this real quick. Refresh. Oh, we're up 0.03%. Nice. Fear and Greed, 29. So basically flat, hence the sarcasm. Bitcoin on the 24, basically flat. XRP down a little bit. Ethereum up a little bit. Just coming down. Everything, basically flat. But on the 7-day, Bitcoin's up 7%. XRP's up 13%. Ethereum almost 5%. So moving. But basically, overall market is flat today. So let's just look at the chart. So here's the daily chart of Bitcoin, and this is using the Fibonacci retracement. So it's from this low down here before this big move up to this top, and we've come and we found some support down here at the 0.786. We found resistance at the 0.618. If you saw my previous video, now we're above that and the 21 EMA. And that's looking at support. It came down and it hit like right on it with both these candles. And now there's some rejection, there's some resistance. We'll see if it comes down to retest. It could break and continue moving down in this overall downtrend that it's in right now, but we'll see. So as you see, if you watch one of my last videos, either the last one or the second to last one, it was finding some resistance right here at the 0.618, and now it's broken above that and finding some support. So it's kind of switched that to support. So we'll see if it holds. Doesn't have to hold. Obviously, this isn't like a for sure thing, but usually technical, especially when the market's crazy and there's so much going on with tariff talk and fear and this, that, and the other, and war, and who even knows. Crypto is kind of resilient to that into a degree of like, those don't really affect crypto per se, like immediately, but like the fear and it being a riskier asset, it gets pretty volatile during those times. Where it's not directly affected by it, if that makes sense. So sometimes the technicals can kind of be easier to read what's going on when there's just a lot of news and you're like, what is happening? I like kind of look at the chart and see, okay, like what's the chart saying? Where's some support and resistance? And I love even using the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is built into TradingView and a lot of probably trading platforms out there. So this is Bitcoin, yeah. So it's finding some support. We'll see if it holds. It doesn't have to. And then XRP is kind of doing the same. So if you zoom in here we go. Let me zoom in a little bit more. It's right now. It busted above the this 0.618, which is about the $2.09 mark, 210. It found some support at the 21 EMA, and now it's kind of being rejected and sitting there. So we'll see if it can hold above on the daily or even the weekly, because I think, it's right there on the weekly. So we will see. There's just a little update that we did end up breaking above those two lines, EMA and the 0.618 on XRP and Bitcoin, and it's kind of, we're seeing if it's going to flip and have that as support now. Excuse me, I just had a smoothie, so having little burps. So again, not a whole lot. We're down now 0.1%, basically flat, but just wanted to share that with the chart. There might be some support there. We'll see if there's any new catalysts that comes out, any new news that comes out this week about literally anything. I feel like there's always something coming out and something happening that if any good news could push crypto, because it could go back up for people could come flooding in with some more money, and retailers and stuff will come back, because if we get good news, and whatever that good news is, with retail investors and anybody, and just money coming back in that's maybe sitting on the sidelines, flowing to Bitcoin usually first, and then Ethereum maybe, and XRP, and so on and so forth, and coming down. And again, I'm just kind of watching the chart a little bit, maybe a little bit more, because there's a lot of news and a lot of stuff happening in that area, that it's just like I kind of like focusing sometimes on the technicals in those in these predicaments, and just seeing what the chart's showing me, and seeing and sticking to my plan, which is just dollar cost averaging small amounts along the way. So just wanted to share a little quick video. Thanks for giving me some of your time today and checking out this little channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.